was building on the lecture. Verses coming daily under pressure. Working on the plot and the scheme. The true stock trademark is at the edge of your dreams. I'm talking one shot for the kill. The priest cut threes up, straight dropping the chills. I'm talking taking over pieces and shares of.
I have my makeup on, my clothes on, my hair done. So just be careful.
What's up, guys? Welcome to the Lake Fest vlog. It is the day before Lake Fest. We're at the world's best wakeboarding lake in Kanchanaburi, and tomorrow's Lake Fest. Tomorrow's gonna be crazy, but we're warming up. We're taking the jet skis over to a waterfall somewhere over there in the jungle. So let's go. Woo! Woo! Alright guys, so we've made it to the beautiful waterfall. We can't see it super well yet, and it is a little sketchy riding around these other boats. I think you can definitely say this is the first of riding up to a waterfall on a jet ski. This is amazing. What's the name of the waterfall?
Oh, they nicknamed it Robert's Waterfall.
Robert's Waterfall? So we're at Robert's Waterfall.
We're gonna fly the drone to the waterfall and film everything.
And for the first time ever, I'm taking off of a jet ski, and I'm kind of scared. Okay, that was easy.
Bunch of adults bringing all their toys.
It's so cold.
Game of Wake with Julia Rick next video.
You like that?
Yes, I would love to see it.
Oh, can you hook me up as well? Woo! Woo-hoo-hoo! Let's go! Are you hyped for Lake Fest Saturday?
I'm super hyped, yeah.
Oh, okay, man. I couldn't get any heads, so I decided to take my helmet.
Ooh, it's Lake Fest Saturday. We're on our way now to mob it down to the waterfall. It should be a lot bigger and nicer than yesterday's waterfall. We got around 20 boats and like 12 jet skis. It's gonna be pretty crazy. Sexy! We can't leave without it.
Yeah.
Magnus, can you take me for a lap?
Take you for a lap?
Yeah.
We don't have any more life jackets.
We don't need. I can swim. Perfect. All right. Woo-hoo-hoo. Let's go. See you guys. Woo! Yeah, dude. Woohoo! Thanks for that, bro. Thank you. Send it.
He's a Superman, yeah?
What is he?
He's a fucking Superman. No life jacket. Hold your booty on the floor tonight. First day in the morning, yeah? That's my breakfast.
Is this your breakfast? Yeah?
Exactly.
Hey, Johnny Johnson, safety first.
Yeah, safety first. Yeah, because of this.
Alright, my name's King Kong. This is my first beer of the day, yeah?
Man, the drive over here has been insane. It's so beautiful here. Mention the flip. Hey! Let's go, backflip.
Be careful of your glasses.
Yeah, be careful.
Hey, make sure you jump back, huh? So after about a 2-hour ride, we've made it to the waterfall, which is just down there. And the ride here was insane, absolutely unbelievable. Just look around me. It's fucking Jurassic Park here. It's crazy.
We're lost in the jungle.
What's the name of the waterfall?
Clitty Waterfall.
Clitty.
Yeah. But it's K-L-I-T-T-I.
Ooh, Clitty. Hey, that iPad vlogger. iPad man. Ooh. Back. Such a shredder, bro.
Yeah, dude. Shredded and shredder.
I like the shades. Man, let's climb up the waterfall. We did it, Johnny. Woo! Oh, no way. I think we're actually going to make it to the top of the waterfall here. Look at that. Johnny! Oi! Bro, there's a little pool here.
Come on!
Yeah, and then we go to that part.
We're exploring the waterfall right now.
Man, the Jungle Boys! Jungle Johnson! Hey! Whoa, whoa, whoa! So I've been to a lot of waterfalls in Thailand. This might actually be the most beautiful one. And it just, whoa! And it just goes all down there. Insane. Every single time I come here to Thousand Palms, it makes me realize I need a fucking boat and a jet ski and just explore this crazy lake in Kanchanaburi and just find all these insane hidden gems. Natural water slide! Woo! Oh, it's so cool! This is a real natural ice bath. Oh, natural ice bath. Dude, I'm mind blown by this place. Look at this, the whole roots of the tree wrapping around the whole rock. And that,
Is it cold?
it's like two trees were having sex. Woo! Just go, King
my
Kong.
God, there's fucking
Just
everything.
grab it and go.
Okay.
Grab it and go. It's the only way. Get your ass up there, King Kong.
Now what?
We're gonna be here all day before we jump. Just do it fast. The slower you do it, the harder it is. Yeah, you're good, and follow me. Woo! The jump spot. It's so sketchy to go there, like sketchy, huh?
Yeah, like look.
Come here, King Kong.
Wait for me.
Oh man, here we go again.
Come on, let's go.
Woo, 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 woo. Oh!
Okay, set. 1, 2, 3.
Ah, Johnny Johnson.
One rip and then he's like this now. Mayru.
Mayru camp.
Guy, we out here right now at the Lake Fest. Boys are sending, booties are out, hoes are out, dudes are flying, guys are out too. We're fucking having a good time.
This is the place to be. Look at all these boats, look at all these people. It's a party town. White claw, yeah? Say something smart. Fuck around and buzz it. Yeah!
Or in the asshole, also fine.
When was the last time you rode behind the boat?
I was back riding boat when we did the Liquid Force 26 team shoot at Lake Powell.
Way.
It's been a little bit, but I'm feeling pretty similar vibes. Good crew, good energy, and a good board with no fins. So no fins, no.
We're all riding finless today.
That's what we do. Cable guys on the boat.
Woohoo!
That's all.
Claudia, when was the last time you rode boat?
I think a couple years ago, actually, not too long ago. But
What are you gonna send for us?
No sand, nothing.
Wake to wake?
Yeah, hopefully.
We're gonna wakeboard, third ever boat set, and I'm scared. I wish I didn't go after Claudia actually. I'm a real amateur behind the boat, huh? 10 minutes on the boat feels like an hour and a half on the cable. Red Bull rider from Russia. Let's go. What a goddamn beautiful day here at Lake Fest. This is my first ever Lake Fest and everyone hyped it up so much and it fully exceeded its expectations. I think it's safe to say that this spot here in Kanchanaburi might be the best wakeboard lake in the world. It's perfect weather all year round. It's super glassy. It's some of the most beautiful views I've ever seen and I've lived in Thailand for 20 years. Thousand Palms is the spot. Huge shout out. You guys don't want to miss next year's Lake Fest. But King Kong and Daniel are DJing tonight. So let's get into the party. Thank you guys for watching. Go subscribe, go like the video, and I'll see you guys next Sexy Monday with a new video. Let's cut into the party montage.
Do it faster, makes us